52 की एज में जब लोग स्लो डाउन का सोच रहे होते हैं, फागुनी नायर अपने कोटक महिंद्रा के कॉर्नर ऑफिस में बैठी थी। शी हैड ऑलरेडी बिल्ट 20 प्लस years of high profile career, consulting, global operations, investment banking. As MD of the investment banking division, she had closed deals worth $46 billion. But that day, one thought became crystal clear. If not now, then when? Since childhood, she had dreamt of creating something of her own. And for that dream, she left everything behind. Some thought it was too risky. For her, it was a calculated leap. At Kotak, her presence was already different. When she entered a room, there was no noise, no drama, yet the atmosphere shifted. A soft tone, but decisive words. A calm demeanor, but razor sharp clarity. Working alongside Uday Kotak, she learned this truth. Authority doesn't come from volume, it comes from the vision. And this quiet power became the foundation of her next chapter. अब ये क्वाइट पावर टेस्ट होने वाली थी एक बिल्कुल नई इंडस्ट्री में. दिस वॉज द बर्थ ऑफ नायका, इंडिया की ब्यूटी ई कॉमर्स स्पेस. इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट. फ्लिपकार्ट वॉज सेलिंग बुक्स, Amazon had barely entered India. Faguni spotted a gap. Indian women did have access to authentic, high-quality beauty products with variety and trust. With her IIM, Ahmedabad finance brain, and 18 years of strategy experience, she launched Nykaa, a beauty marketplace built on governance and trust. The first year wasn't about profit, it was all about learning. She personally inspected warehouses, checked packaging, and handled brand onboarding herself. Her mantra was clear: do not do anything that is financially not sustainable. By 2015, when competitors were deep in losses, Nykaa had achieved a profitable model. By 2018, they had onboarded 1,000 plus brands. In 2021, Nykaa's IPO was oversubscribed 82 times, and on market debut, its valuation crossed 1 lakh crore. Nykaa didn't just sell products, it changed consumer behavior. Indians began trusting online beauty shopping. And through it all, Faguni rarely put herself in front of the camera because for her, the real voice was Nykaa. Nykaa was always for the consumer. Faguni's personal style mirrored Nykaa itself. Graceful, grounded, modern. She wore simple saris or elegant westerns, minimal jewelry. In boardrooms, she spoke with hard numbers for investors. In stores, she casually chatted with the first-time buyers. This dual presence, strategic clarity, plus empathetic connection is what sets her apart. This is called personal branding. Today, Nykaa attracts 25 million plus monthly visitors, runs 100 plus online stores, generates rupees 5,200 crore annual revenue, and holds over 60% market share in beauty e-commerce segment. Faguni Nayar's net worth has crossed $4.2 billion, making her Asia's richest self-made woman. Her real legacy isn't in the numbers. It is proof that even in your 50s, reinvention is possible. If you choose to step beyond fear, Faguni Nayar's journey teaches us this. Executive presence isn't a gift. It's built through discipline, clarity, and consistency. You don't need to be loud. You need to be clear, calm, and committed. Your experience is your edge. So if you are wondering about starting a new chapter, whether at 40, 50, or beyond, the answer is yes. Lead with presence. My name is Aarti Sharma. I'm an internationally certified image consultant and an executive presence coach. I've just started my YouTube channel and I want all of you to follow me and subscribe to have this information that will help you transform your life and your professional journey. Looking forward to see you in the next videos.